Now, Mick, we met some months back, and you guys
Mm.
decided to get certified. So let's go back a little bit in your journey of your business. Can you tell me, approximately, how long has the business been going, and where do you operate out of?
So the business was incorporated in 2004, and we're based on the Sunshine Coast, or the head office is based on the Sunshine Coast in Karoi. So,
Okay,
mm.
cool. And let me ask you this. So you over the years would have just grown and grown, and how large would the business be these days for everyone watching?
Yep. So we're about 55 employees, including the upper management staff. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
that's a good healthy size. What I know for the sake of those watching, I know that I looked you guys up and you work with a lot of big names. So what are the kind of clients that you service? What do you do for them?
So we supply the resource and exploration industry in Australia, field personnel. So geological field personnel that specialise in geological sciences, geotechnical safety, and manage project management. Mm.
How far do you go, Mick? Do you go like all over Queensland? Do you go further? How far do you go?
Yeah, Australia wide basically. So we've had contracts with all the blue chip miners from iron ore over in WA to bauxite up in northern Queensland to coal and metalliferous coal in Queensland and New South Wales.
You and I met a while back. You decided to get certified, and I always ask everybody this same question, especially if they've been in business more than say a newer business.
Mm.
Why would you get certified at this part of your business journey?
Yeah. So early on in geological solutions formation, we set up initial systems, so a safety management system and a quality system. We've been operating for 20 years and continually improving those systems. The reason now is just to ensure our ongoing competitiveness in the future for geological solutions. So our products and services meet international quality and safety standards, basically to assist and aid geological solutions in improving customer trust and satisfaction. So, mm,
Okay, that's interesting. So it's if I'm hearing this right, it's almost continuing to strengthen the actual brand as it goes forward. All right. Well,
exactly.
that's smart. Some
Mm,
businesses put off certain things in the business, as we both know, and
yeah,
then later on they're not competitive enough in various ways, let alone certification. So
that's
that's
right.
interesting. What? So we're in 2024. You've been going, 20 years. You're even more competitive now with this. Do you guys have certain goals, in the next months or years? Do you think this is what we'd like to achieve now, or is it just keep growing as you are, service your existing clients? What are you planning to do?
We plan on just strengthening our client base and our systems over the next couple of years. There has been a bit of talk about environmental ISO and maybe possibly doing that in the future. Our systems already contain a lot of the environmental management requirements. So, but basically just to strengthen the business now for the next couple of years. Mm,
Okay,
yeah.
well, you guys have certainly done it. I
Mm,
talk to people every day, as you would know, and
yep.
they're trying to decide what do I do next for my business, and where does that fit in with my plan, and I mean this is only going to help you guys look even stronger as a business. So, which you are. The systems have been evaluated. Somebody's gone through them. Hey, here's a question for you. Just came to my mind right now.
Yep.
You had some people are afraid to have, that outside auditor come look at what they're doing.
Yeah.
Did you guys have any fears there? Or were you like, no, I'd like to see somebody or I want to get feedback? How'd that process go for you with our auditor?
I must admit, a little bit anxious before the audits, but the whole audit process was very friendly, very professional, and the company has obtained and gotten a lot out of it. Yeah, we've got big plans for our internal systems, and where there were a number of observations made. where we can improve our internal systems. So we're going through our systems at the moment and just looking at where those improvements can be made. So it was a very, we enjoyed the process.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd have to recommend it to any business that wants to strengthen themselves in the industry they're in. I think it's a great benefit for anyone.
Guys, I caught up with Mick Crighton from Geological Solutions. We had a great time just learning about a few more things that he does, why he decided to get certified, and a lot more. Guys, can you do us a favor? Can you hit the like button? Help Mick and I out. Let's get this out there to the network.